Hi, I'm Nikki Jabor. And do you know how to take cuttings from rosemary plants? This easy technique is my favorite way to propagate rosemary so I can get lots more plants for my garden and containers. You need to start with a rosemary plant. It could be growing in your garden or in your house, or perhaps a friend has a rosemary plant that you can take a few clippings from. This is a supermarket rosemary plant that I bought about 2 months ago and has already produced tons of long branches. I want to prune these branches back to get cuttings that I will then root to make my new plants. I start with sharp, clean pruners, using them to cut off a length of stem. I try to take cuttings that are around 4 to 5 inches long, trimming back to a leaf node. I'll then remove the leaves from the bottom 2 to 3 inches of the cutting. This is because we don't want leaves growing beneath the water in the jar, as this encourages bacterial growth and can impact new roots from forming. Once the leaves are stripped from the stems, I'll place the cuttings into a jar or glass of clean water. I then keep the rosemary cuttings under a grow light or on a sunny windowsill, changing the water a couple of times a week. Just 2 weeks later, and the cuttings have started to produce lots of roots. When the roots are around 2 inches long, I'll pot up my cuttings into containers filled with potting mix. And then I've got lots of new rosemary plants for my garden. Quick and easy.